You're like, I can't hear you. Like, but I could hear you.
Oh,
Oh, you're back.
am I better? Can you hear me?
We can hear you. This is kind of fun. You know why? Because you have alien antennas on.
That's right. Might as well go with the flow.
If you have those pom-poms on your head, and if you put your face mask, you might look like a real alien.
Where is my face mask?
Ooh. And I'm a bear. Roar. See, watch. And she's going to sound like an alien. Watch this. Now talk.
Oh, do I sound robotic?
Yes. You have everything today, Miss Martha. You have the antennas, you have the shield. Now turn off your lights, because then you're in space. No? Okay, never mind. All right, forget it. Good morning, boys and girls.
Good morning.
We almost forgot we were recording for a little bit because I got so excited when I saw her antennas and the face shield, and then I was a bear.
Because you're a Beardsley bear.
And I'm acting safely.
That's right, we got our mask.
All right, boys and girls, we have a fun assembly for you today. It is Student of the Month, but why don't we get started with our flag salute?
Always ready for the flag salute.
Okay, Miss Martha, I'm going to hand it over to you.
Okay, everybody, if you can please stand and put your right hand over your heart. Ready, begin. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Thank you. I wonder if your voice is going to come back to normal anytime soon.
It's okay if it doesn't.
It's okay. They'll be excited to hear their award with the robot. Ooh, she got the moves again. She got the moves. Well, boys and girls, today is our Student of the Month. We are super excited. We are ready to show our Beardsley pride. That's his Beardsley, see? Our Beardsley pride, and we are excited to recognize all of you. So why don't we just get started? Are you ready, Miss Martha?
Oh, I'm so excited to name all of these students. Whoop, whoop.
She's so excited. She just can't hide it. I know. We're going to have some fun today. All right. I just, some of you know.
You've been singing a lot lately. Have you noticed that?
What?
You've been singing a lot lately.
I have. That is true. I'm trying to rhyme a little too much, huh? It's okay. It's all right. It's okay. We're going to do this anyway. Now I'm a cheerleader.
Maybe that's what's coming back. Your cheerleader's coming back.
There you go. Okay, boys and girls, let's get started. I'm going to go ahead and read our dual immersion students from the dual immersion classes for the teachers. And we're going to start with, we should remind them one more time why they're getting this award. You want to remind them, Miss Martha?
Remind them, but I think from our masks and from our sanitizing and our watch our distance, they probably know. Do you guys remember? I think I heard it. You are right. We are honoring students for acting safely, and we've been talking about how to keep safe when you are out in the open with am I robotic again?
You're very robotic today. You're so robotic. I kind of think she's
an alien. Don't let my secret out.
Okay, well, so we are going to act safely, and you are getting your awards for acting safely, right?
Yes, we are.
Okay. So we're going to go ahead and get started. So thank you to all of you. We know so many more of you were acting safely than what we are recognizing today, but don't let that discourage you. You keep working hard on all of our paws. So we're going to start with Maestra Martinez. Victoria Villa. Actúa con seguridad en su asiento mientras completa su trabajo. Yeah. Sorry, I have to move because I'm working with two computers today. Y en la clase de maestra Kate, Josiah Kenny. Josiah actúa con su seguridad cuando elige un lugar tranquilo y se sienta agradablemente en su silla. Woo, that was a long word.
That was
Yeah. So that was for Josiah. Y Diego Díaz. Diego actúa con seguridad en su asiento mientras completa su trabajo. Yeah. All right.
All right.
Hand it over to you.
Try to do Miss Shear's class. Hopefully my robotic voice.
Still there. We're just going to roll with it. We're going to have fun.
Okay.
We're going to call you.
Too bad and you can't understand me because my Martian language is coming out, then just let me know, Miss Romero. I'm going to keep
going. We can understand you.
Okay, good. Okay. So from Miss Shear's class, we get to honor Mason King. Mason King acts safely when he chooses a quiet area and sits nicely in his chair. Woo.
Woo!
And Sophia Lobbins. Sophia Lobbins acts safely when using scissors. She always sits and has them pointed away from her. Way to go, Sophia.
Go, girl. Yes. Okay, for Maestra Neil. For safety, we have Benjamin Marquez. Benjamin es un estudiante que actúa con seguridad y siempre está listo para participar y compartir sus ideas con sus compañeros. Yeah. Y Dominic Reese Ayala. Dominic es un estudiante trabajador, actúa con seguridad y que le gusta asistir a clase. Yeah. Okay. And my apologies, I have to look and move. Today's just one of those days, isn't it, Miss Mata? It's probably because it's the last day before.
That's it.
You know what? We'll tell you later. I know, we'll tell them later. Okay, for Maestra Roque, Emmanuel Morillo. Emmanuel demonstra actúa seguramente cuando usa su máscara en la escuela. Y Emma Andrade. Emma demuestra seguridad al hacer su mejor esfuerzo durante el aprendizaje a distancia. Yeah, I'm getting a little tongue twisted today.
But I'm trying. You are. All right.
It's you, Miss Mata.
To announce names for Miss Chu's class. Ricardo Castillo. He shows safety by practicing our earthquake drill and going over safety procedures with his family. Nice.
Right.
And Sarah Alvarez. She shows safety by staying in her seat and not walking around with her laptop while it's plugged in. That's super safe right there.
Very, very safe. Okay, for Maestra Luna, Jorge Valdivia. Jorge ha demostrado seguridad en clase todos los días. Levanta su mano cuando quiere hablar y demonstra sus buenos modales en clase. Jorge es un estudiante maravilloso. Yeah. Y Mia Quiroz. Mia demuestra su seguridad. Today I have to really focus, but I'm doing it, Miss Mata.
You are. You're using your knowledge of syllables.
Thank you. Cuando ella levanta la mano y espera pacientemente, Mia ha mejorado mucho y es un estudiante radiante. Yeah.
All right, for Miss CK's class, Elena Lobbins. Elena acts safely when she comes to class. She works in a quiet area and remembers to sit safely on her seat. And Osiris Lobbins. Osiris acts safely online when he comes to class. He also remembers to wear his mask, wash his hands, and watches his distance to stay healthy and safe.
Yeah, I just realized your voice is back to normal.
Okay.
All right. Next we have, where'd it go? I lost it. Señor Jeffco. Gabriel Tejeda. Gabriel por siempre llevar su máscara en la escuela y segure las otras reglas de seguridad. Yeah. And thank you for your patience with me, boys and girls. Julissa Razo. Julissa por siempre llevar su máscara en la escuela y segure las otras reglas de seguridad. Yeah.
All right, it's on to Miss Posner's class. Valeria Hervasio. Valeria acts safely online by always being polite, being cautious, and choosing a quiet, distraction-free workspace. Yeah. And also, Christopher Garcia. Christopher acts safely online by always being polite, cautious, and helping others.
Okay. And for Maestra Torres, Ethan Egehorn. Ethan ha demostrado seguridad en el hogar al sentarse siempre de manera segura y seguir las reglas de tecnología del aula.
Woo!
I think Miss Torres' class right now is correcting all the words I'm saying wrong.
But they're also cheering you on and encouraging you.
They are. And you know what? Maybe I'm doing it on purpose to see if you guys are paying attention.
Maybe.
So we had Ethan Egehorn y Kevin Diaz. Kevin ha demostrado seguridad en nuestro salón de clase virtual al llegar a tiempo a todas sus clases y siempre siguiendo las reglas del salón de clases. Yes.
All right, from Miss O'Donnell's class, Sophia Castillo. Sophia acts safely when online by using kind words, by asking for help, and by choosing a distraction-free workspace. And we also have Halmar Ramos Leiva. He acts safely when online, again by using kind words, by asking for help, and choosing a distraction-free workspace. All right, I'm going to keep going with Mr. Green's class. Eric Lopez. Eric acts safely and he follows class instructions. Woo. And Reyes Anaya. Reyes acts safely and follows class now I'm getting tongue-tied. He follows directions. Way to go. Woo.
You want me to help you out with the 6th grade?
Sure.
I don't get to always do the middle school, so it's kind of fun once in a while. For 6th grade, we have Maritza Hernandez Bernardo. Maritza acts safely when online by using kind words. Wow, that's a theme, kind words. having her camera on at all times, and asking for help when she needs it.
Yeah.
And Jaysiri Gibson. Jaysiri acts safely when online by using kind words, by asking for help, and by choosing a distraction-free workspace. Ooh, I like that.
Love it. All right, shall I do 7th grade?
Yes.
All right, Noelle Flores. Noelle acts safely when online by using kind words and asking for help when he needs it. Woo!
Yeah.
And we also have Natalie Escobar. Natalie acts safely when online by, guess what?
Using kind words.
Using kind words, asking for help, and again, choosing a distraction-free workspace. Woo!
You know, you use kind words with me, Miss Mata, because I'm struggling today with some of my Spanish, and it was pretty evident. And you said, you know what, but they're cheering you on and they're rooting for me to persevere through it. So thank you for your kind words.
You got it.
All right.
All right. Do you want to do 8th grade or shall I?
What? Okay, I'll do it. For 8th grade, the month of March, we have Valeria Rojas. Valeria is careful to mask and maintain social distance and keeps in communication with her parents.
Excellent.
I like that. I like that. Michael Adams. Michael Adams acts safely when he faces internet issues. He always communicates with the teacher and makes sure his assignments are submitted promptly.
Excelente.
I like seeing the students mature, like you see in 8th grade, communication with the parents because the kids communicating with the teacher.
That's true.
Turning in assignments promptly. Kind word. I just loved all of them today.
And you notice something else? We had a lot of siblings today.
We did. Or
siblings
relatives.
And cousins. Yes. Love that.
So great job, boys and girls. Sometimes we think acting safe. Yeah, give yourselves a big round of applause. Sometimes we think acting safely just means physically acting safely. And today you heard so many different ways that we act safely. I'm really impressed. So I want to thank all of you.
Give yourself a pat on the back.
Good job. Good job, boys and girls. So a couple of announcements. Miss Mata,
right.
do you have any news today?
You know what? I think the student of the month, that was my news for today.
Okay, well, I think maybe we can never, ever, ever miss this segment. So you're gonna have to tell them about next month, maybe.
Okay, that's right.
Wait, not yet.
Oh, I thought you, okay, I'll wait.
I know, boys and girls, she didn't wait for the special announcement. And now for da-da-da-da, Miss Mata!
Added that little.
That looked really good, right on cue.
Okay, everybody. So we honored Students for Safety. So now we're going right back up to the beginning of our pause, which is the P for Pride. So in April, I can't believe we say it again, but I'm going to say it again. We're moving into April pretty soon. It just like, I got to knock my head because it's just too fast. So in the month of April, we will be honoring students for having pride.
Pride in what?
Pride in themselves and their school. Oh, look at your school. I see all the kids looking through the window. That's right.
I love this school.
And again, just like we said, safety was really kind of like timely. I feel like pride in themselves and their school is also timely because whether you will be coming back on campus or whether you will be remaining home for the rest of the school year, that pride in yourself and adjusting to the changes in our schedule, that's going to be really, really important for the month of April.
Absolutely. Absolutely. And that brings us to our next news is boys and girls, it is Friday, March 26th.
Mind blown.
I can't even say it because it's like, is it really?
Yep.
Unbelievable. March 26th, we are on spring break starting on Monday.
Oh, I hear him screaming.
I know. But
I'm excited too.
Everybody dance again. You guys have worked hard. Teachers and staff and students, it is time to take a break. Reboot.
Years off.
Yeah.
Not yet. Not until we're done with our assembly and your schoolwork.
Thank you for that disclaimer. We didn't want to lose any kids today. So on April 5th, you will be returning back to your virtual class. And then on April 6th, we will be welcoming some of our preschool to kindergarten back on our site for the first time. A little exciting, very exciting. So boys and girls, we want you to have a great rest of your day. As Ms. Mata said, finish off strong, continue to work hard today. It is Friday, but then make sure that you take time to unplug your laptop, go outside, get some fresh air, go on a walk. And yes, boys and girls, that means walk away from the video games for a little bit too, because your little eyeballs, they need a little rest. They've been on this technology for a long time. And enjoy your week. Enjoy your week with your family and friends safely. We hope you all have a safe break. We look forward to seeing all of you again on Monday, April 5th. But with that said, it is time to stretch it out.
I think I'm going to try standing today. I'm going to move my chair.
Ooh, I bet your head touches your ceiling. Oh, it touched it. Wait, come up a little closer. Oh, I'm touching the ceiling. Oh, that looks so cool. Okay, boys and girls, and reach for the ceiling. Miss Mata does not have to reach very high.
I'm trying to lift it.
This is so funny. It's great. Okay, and touch your toes. Okay, and come up and roll your shoulders back and roll them forward. And arms out and roll them forward.
Oh, forward.
And roll them back. And roll your head, but don't roll it too fast or it might roll off. And let's walk. And take a big breath. Let's do one more because I think we all need it. Ready? And 1, 2, 3. And again. Oh, did we lose her? Nope, we didn't lose her. And 1, 2, 3. Miss Mata, what happens if you jump? I think I'm touching the ceiling too. Look.
You are.
I don't know why it looks so great. Okay, boys and girls, we are going to get started in. Are you ready, Miss Mata?
I'm ready. I've got him here.
Here we go. In 1, 2, 3. I can and I will
Have pride in myself and my school.
Oh, I can and I will
Have a positive attitude.
I can and I will make
Wise choices.
I can and I will
Act safely.
I can and I will. I can and I will. I can and I will. Boys and girls, make it a great day. Make it a great week. and weekend and enjoy yourselves. We will see you on the 5th.
Bye-bye, everybody.